Welcome to another edition of Ask Nappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of AppyPie. Today's question comes from Andrew from London, United Kingdom, and he has already created an app on AppyPie, and he wishes to understand how he could leverage social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat to grow his brand and his app. Yes, Andrew, social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat today have billions of users, active users coming onto these platforms every single day. And if you could leverage these users for your app, then you could actually get tons and tons of installs coming in and all for free. Because what you are basically doing is you are tapping into the community on these networks. And this could mean a much bigger brand for you. Much bigger brand means you would actually get much more traction coming into your app. And to help you with this, my colleague Benjamin Wilson has created 3 different courses where he talks about how you could leverage Facebook to get more likes, or how you could use platforms like Twitter and Snapchat to grow your brand and to grow your business. I am taking in the liberty of adding the relevant lessons from these courses for you.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome and a big congratulations for joining my Facebook course. My goal is to get you all 1,000 Facebook fans by the time you finish this course and have the knowledge to hit the next goal, whatever it may be, once we get the first 1,000 fans. So really quickly, I've set up a simple visual guide of the entire course, just so you know where you are at any point in time, what you've got left to learn, and you can tailor this course to suit you personally. It's important to note that the course is set up in standalone modules, so it's really easy to navigate back and forth depending on your skill level between these modules. Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through it really quickly, and it starts with module 1, which is how to optimize your Facebook page. So we'll go through the 5 main elements of your Facebook fan page and why they're important. How to optimize your page for like conversion, so once people find your page, how to increase the amount of people who actually click that like button. And of course, we'll be going through the basics of configuring your Facebook settings so your page is doing everything you want it to do. It is a more of a beginner module, so if you are already intermediate to advanced, I recommend skipping straight to the content. The content module is very important. I recommend that everybody takes the content module. So essentially it goes into a lot of detail about what types of content to post and why, how to post your content most effectively in order to attract the most amount of likes, shares, comments, and new subscribers to your Facebook page or new likers, and where and how to source this content. This is definitely from beginner all the way up to advanced, as it breaks down every one of the factors in Facebook's algorithm in order to engage more people. Module 3 is likes. So it's essentially the top proven strategies to kickstart your likes. So going from 0 or a small amount of likes, say under 100, and starting to build that like count. It's how to use your competition to your advantage, and it's about finding your Facebook voice and personality. Module 4 is the next step to take after your likes. It's momentum, and it's how to leverage the likes that you got in Module 3 in order to work for you. So you're going to see exponential growth here because you're using what you've already earned. And there's a couple of other strategies I introduced here, such as a parallel interest page and cross promotion. Finally, we're going to be working with insights. So it's about identifying and knowing what is working well with your fans and using this knowledge to further excel your Facebook page. So I'm going to teach you how to track and know what's doing well so you can do more of that, and even identify what's not doing so well so we can eliminate that. Make sure your fans are happy at all stages and you're optimizing your growth. So this is a very simplistic layout about the Facebook course. It is actually quite in depth. If I come over to the inside of the course content, you can see this is how to optimize your page. There are 10 lectures in here going over each of your page characteristics, finding and posting engaging Facebook content. There's a lot of strategies in here. Getting your first Facebook likes. So I think there's 6 or 7 individual strategies which I've seen huge success with, including the relevant Facebook community power strategy, which is by far the most powerful strategy in this course. How to grow your Facebook likes using momentum, and finally how to review and adapt to insights. You've also got the slides and resources, and I'm constantly adding the frequently asked questions that you ask in the discussion to the bottom of the page in all sorts of formats. So I just uploaded this video of how to use the Facebook call to action button. A very big thank you and a warm welcome for being inside my Snapchat course. I really appreciate you being here. And I also have to congratulate you because you've made a great decision in signing up for Snapchat marketing. Inside this course, I break down the strategies from the biggest businesses with the biggest budgets on Snapchat, and I show you how they use the Snapchat platform to increase their business and increase their revenue. And I'm gonna show you how you can grow your brand and increase your revenue for yourself. I've broken down the content into 6 modules. Module 1 is the introduction and the welcome. I show you how to set up a Snapchat account for your business or brand, and then I show you how to follow the top 1% of brands currently on Snapchat so you can see what works for them and what they're doing to grow their businesses. In section 2, I'm going to give you the tool and overview so you're 100% knowledgeable about the Snapchat platform, how it works, and then we can use that knowledge in section 3 when we go into how, why, when, and what to post on Snapchat in order to see the best results. Of your account. Custom Snapchat codes, leverage your existing social media, use your website and email list, and leverage your Snapchat following in order to grow your account and reach new people. In section 5, I show you how to make money and gather leads from your Snapchat following, doing this through lead magnets and emails, coupons, and exclusive offers and challenges. Instagram app, tricks and strategies to accelerate your growth and the results that you see on Snapchat. Snapchat right now has the highest content consumption to user ratio than any other social media platform out there right now. It's an amazing opportunity for you to get your brand in front of new eyes and build strong relationships with these new followers of yours. If you're a complete beginner or never have heard of Snapchat before, I'm going to show you by holding your hand and walking you through this entire course exactly how your business can benefit from Snapchat. A comprehensive understanding of Twitter. So I'm going to take you through the essentials of Twitter and give you a basic foundation of knowledge of exactly what you need to do and know in order to be successful on Twitter. I'm going to start with 1.1, creating a Twitter account. Now, many of you may already have a Twitter account. If this is the case, just skip on to 1.2, Twitter newsfeed, where I will explain exactly what the Twitter newsfeed is and give you a basic understanding of how Twitter works as a micro-blogging platform. 1.3 will be Twitter Discover. I'll go through the Twitter Discover features and the main points of it. 1.4 will be other Twitter features. I'm going to walk you through hashtags, trends, the Twitter search functionality, and the direct messages. 1.5 will wrap up with your account settings and your personal preferences for your individual Twitter account. Let's get started, guys.
I hope you liked these lessons from Benjamin. And if you're interested in enrolling to the entire course, then do visit us on academy.appleby.com, where you can subscribe to all these 3 courses, and not only these, we have tons of other courses for you to subscribe, which talks about media, marketing, copywriting, and other aspects. If you like this edition, then do share it on Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.
ठीक हो गया पर थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया सर